Do you know what is the only tried, tested and proven key to crack the equity market? The only key which has reaped profits every single time? Let me tell you an interesting story of a parrot and its owner, Miss Mehra. Miss Mehra was very excited to have bought a parrot and kept it in a nice cage. But the parrot didn't talk. She went to the pet store and asked for what she can do to make the parrot talk. The pet shop owner advised mirrors, swings, toys, etc. But the parrot never talked and finally died in a week. Before dying, the parrot finally spoke. They don't sell food at the pet store? With the advancement of technology and strategies, we have forgotten the core basic, the food for investment: time. Market outlook, fiscal deficit, GDP growth, crude oil prices, international markets, etc. are all decorative terms and additional factors like the mirror, ladder and swings. Just like the parrot survives on food and talks, give your investment time and it will talk. If you really want your parrot or say your investment talking, make sure you are giving it what it needs the most: time. Don't kill your investment. Give it what it needs the most: the food for investment, time. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.